I don't know which bag to wear, yaar. Help me now.
This one goes so well with your outfit.
Hena, I was thinking the same thing. I bought it last week only. It looks so cute and the color is so classy and elegant. I love it.
What would you rate this bag on a scale of 1 to 10?
A 10. Are you kidding me? Just look at my outfit. Just look at my bag. It's so fab. I literally look like a model. I love it. तू कौन सा bag ले रही है?
This one only, my trusty old red bag. I mean, नया लेना था मुझे, but ये outfit के लिए तो ठीक ही है, I think.
I mean, compared to her bag, my bag is 1,010. Everyone's just gonna be looking at my bag and my bag only. It's amazing.
We're gonna look so good. I'm so excited.
Oh my god, look at the time, yeah. We need to rush. Where is Tanya?
Guys, chalo, ready? Let's leave.
Oh my god, Tanya, I love your bag. Where did you get it from?
It's designer, hand stitched in Italy, and the hardware is really gold.
Wow.
Hand stitched, designer, gold. Only if I could buy one too. अभी इसके comparison में तो I'll not look good. My bag, ये तो पहले ऐसा नहीं था.
New rating?
A 5? No. A 4.
Well, was it just the bag that made Mubashira change her rating, or it was contrast and comparison? Let's find out.
Imagine you have a chocolate in front of you. How would it taste like? Okay, or meh? Now, if I put an expired cake next to it, that chocolate suddenly tastes like gourmet. This phenomena is called contrast effect. Contrast effect is basically when two similar things are placed next to each other, your brain exaggerates the difference, just like the cake and the chocolate.
The aim of our experiment is
मैं बोलती हूँ.
Other than the marks, the aim of the experiment is to check how the ratings of the brands change when one brand is placed next to the other brand that is perceived of a higher or lower value.
What's the hypothesis, you asked? Rating brand changes when it is placed next to another brand. Imagine this bag placed to a plastic bag from the sabji market. It looks luxury, but when the same is placed next to a bag flown in from Paris, it looks.
It is an experiment after all, so it must have variables. An independent variable is how we show the brand to the participants, whether the brand is shown alone or next to another brand. A dependent variable is how participants rate the brand.
Now that you know everything, let's begin with the experiment. अरे चलो!
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this brand? Can you rate this brand again in comparison to the second brand?
Luxury, more of a style, my status symbol.
Like it just depends on the fundamentals of the company and how it's performing. An indigenous brand, it's made in India brand, so I thought, in comparison, we would support that.
It's a luxury brand, so it will be like a nicer quality.
Like how the customer services, it has a better collection. It's a luxury brand. So basically, in my college days, I used to play cricket. So I had to choose a bat, basically. So one was a bat of it makes bats, and one was an indigenous company. It was some SM cricket, something. So I thought a general perspective was that balance was a better option. But what happened next was the next day I broke that bat without even, I just faced few balls, but still the bat was so weak, it didn't have any grains on it. And so that's the reason, it does, the name itself does have an impact on your decision.
Yeah, whenever I go to shop, I'll always compare between two brands and decide where I want to go and shop in the first place. So yeah, it does play a role.
We are BSc psychology students, and our experiment is basically on contrast effect. When an object is placed against another object, your perception changes. So with this experiment, we were trying to understand how your judgment was influenced. Contrast effect is something that is there in our daily lives, like when we try to evaluate people or when we make a purchase. So thank you for participating, and if you have any questions, then please feel free to ask us.
So, did contrast effect actually influence people's ratings, or did we just waste a whole experiment? Let's find out. We had 46 participants who rated brands under different conditions. Out of which 80%, that is majority of our participants, did change their ratings when a brand was placed next to another one. Whereas 20% of our participants did not change their ratings at all. Since the majority, that is 80% of our participants, did change their ratings, this perfectly aligns with our alternate hypothesis, which basically says that people really are influenced by comparisons and contrasts. For analyzing our results, we used a paired sample t-test analysis. Now let's talk a little numbers, because what is science without a little math? Out of our 36 participants who did change their ratings, 5% of them showed positive contrast effect, meaning that the brand shown to them initially on its own seemed better when compared to a luxury brand. Whereas 95% of our participants showed negative contrast effect, meaning that the brand shown to them initially on its own seemed worse when compared to a luxury brand. Now you might ask that what is it that exactly influenced their decisions and their decision makings? Well, a lot of factors did, and let's break them down. Factors affecting the watch category are quality of the metal, the style of the watch, the brand reputation, and the status of the brand in the society. Because who doesn't want to wear a watch that makes them look rich? Factors affecting the fashion and clothing category are quality, affordability, style, and personal preference. Because green is just not my color. This is more my style. Factors affecting the shoe category are comfort, style, and the look of the shoe. Because these might be comfortable, but these will definitely make me look cool. So what's the big takeaway? Contrast matters. Whether it's clothes, bags, or shoes, people don't judge products based in isolation. They judge based on what is next to them.
You might be wondering, is the contrast effect even applicable in the real world? Well, I'm a hiring manager, and let's look at these resumes. This resume is great, it's amazing. But this one is so much better. It has more job experience, it has more skills, it has a more professional layout. So even though this is such a great resume, I would go with this.
क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में कच्ची कैरी और मिर्ची पाउडर है?
नहीं।
तो वापरिए ब्रांडेड. Ours is obviously better.
मुझे लगा ये बेटर है, पर ऑब्वियसली दैट इज बेटर.
1 से 10 के अनुमान पर आप इसे कितने नंबर देंगे?
8.
People don't make a choice, they compare. Your resume might look perfect until you see one with 5 internships and a Nobel Prize. That 300 rupees shirt might seem reasonable in comparison to a 1,000 rupees one. Your ex also might seem better when you meet someone worse. Nothing occurs in isolation. Contrast warps your perception. So that, my friends, is how contrast effect messes with our brains. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience to our fun experiment. So now, let's go and make questionable shopping decisions. Bye! Editor, cue bloopers.